How to get rid of acne scars fast naturally. If you're struggling with acne, don't worry, acne is very common not only among teenagers but people of all age groups. Acne mostly appears on your face, forehead, shoulders, upper back, and chest because the skin of these areas has the most sebaceous glands. The main causes of acne are as follows. A. Any changes in your hormone, androgens. B. Clogged hair follicles and dead skin cells. C. Production of excess oil. D. Bacteria. There is no minimum time how long they may last, but most often it takes from some weeks to many months. But you do not need to worry, there are lots of home remedies that will increase the process of recovery and you will get clear skin without using any chemicals. Here are some best and natural home remedies as well as products you can try. 1. Lemon. Lemon works as a natural bleach and lightens scars on your skin. And it also removes all dead skin cells, promotes new skin cell growth and improves the elasticity of the skin. What to do? Apply fresh lemon juice, not concentrated, directly onto the scars using a cotton bud. Leave it at least for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Do it twice daily. OR. Mix equal amounts of honey and fresh lemon juice. Apply directly onto the scars using a cotton bud. Leave it for a minimum of 10 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Repeat once daily. OR. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Apply directly to your scars before going to bed. Wash it off with water the next morning. Repeat daily. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, that's why it is very good for your acne scars. What to do? You'll need to remove the dark green leaf, scoop out the clear gel. Apply the clear gel directly to the scars and massage it in a circular motion. Leave it for around 30 minutes. Rinse it off with fresh and cold water. Repeat twice daily. OR. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel and 2 or 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Apply it directly to the scar. Rinse it off with cold water after 15 minutes. Use 1 time daily. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant and is very helpful in repairing the skin. Puncture or cut the end of a vitamin E gel capsule. Take out the oil and apply directly to the scar. Massage it for 10 minutes. Do this 2 times a day. OR. Mix 1 vitamin E capsule oil with 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Apply it on the scar before bed. Leave it on overnight. Rinse it off the next morning with warm water. Repeat daily. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda works as a mild exfoliant and helps in fading the scar. Take 2 teaspoons of baking soda into a bowl. Add water and make a thin paste. Apply the mixture directly to your scars. Leave it on for around 2 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Repeat once daily for several weeks, which will help fade your acne scars. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great and rich source of vitamin E and fatty acids. Rub coconut oil directly into the skin. Try to apply warm coconut oil to the scars. Massage onto scars for at least 10 minutes. Leave it for an hour. Rinse it with warm water. OR. Mix 1 tablespoon lavender oil with 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Apply directly to area and massage in for a few minutes. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Repeat twice daily for several weeks for better results. 6. Honey. Honey has antibiotic and healing properties. It is good to treat acne as well as help clear scars. What to do? Apply honey directly on the scars, cover it and leave it on overnight. The next morning, wash it off with warm water. Repeat daily. OR. Crush 2 aspirin tablets into a powder and mix it into 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply it directly on your scars and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat once daily. 7. Turmeric. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, is filled with skin healing properties. And it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with fresh lemon juice to make a paste. Apply directly it to the scars. Wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes with warm water. Dry your face and apply a moisturizer. Repeat twice daily. OR. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Make a thick paste. Apply directly it to scars. Allow it to dry. Gently scrub it on your skin. Wash it off. Do it 2 times a week. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has an acidic property that helps to lighten the pigmentation in the skin. It stimulates collagen production, repairs cells, and removes dead skin cells. What to do? Mix equal amounts of fresh, raw, pure apple cider vinegar and water. Dip your cotton ball in it and apply it directly to scars. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Repeat daily. OR. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered and pure apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of honey. Use a cotton ball to apply it to your scars. Leave it or 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with fresh water. Repeat daily. 9. Potato. Potato has a high amount of starch which helps in fade acne scars. What to do? Grate 1 potato and strain it with a cotton cloth to get the juice. Apply the juice to the acne scars. Leave it for 20 to 25 minutes before rinsing. OR. Cut a potato into medium-thick slices. Rub a slice onto your skin in a circular motion for a minute. Leave the juice on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water. 10. Olive and lavender oil. Mix 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Massage the mixture into the scarred area in a circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave the oil in place for about 25 to 30 minutes. Wash the area with warm water. Repeat this process a minimum of 2 to 3 times daily for better results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.